Next problem. A cylindrical conductor of length L and uniform cross-section area A has resistance R. Another conductor of length 2L and resistance R of the same material has area of cross-section will be. You can see in both cases the material is same. The material is same. Therefore, same material resistivity will be same. We know R is equal to rho into L by A. R is equal to rho into L by A. You can write R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by A1 into A2 by L2. Here given that R1 is equal to R2 equal to R also. Therefore, R1 R2 get cancelled. 1 by 1 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1. Now, here the length of the first resistor is L, that is called L by, and length of the second conductor is 2L. So you can write this is taken as 2L into A2 by A1. Here it is. Here L get cancelled. Now we can write A2 is equal to 2A1 now. Therefore, A2 is equal to 2 into A1. Therefore, area of the second conductor is twice the area of the cross section of the first conductor now. A2 is equal to A1. This is the solution for the problem. Next problem. In an electrical circuit, two resistors of 2 ohms and 4 ohms respectively are connected in series to 6 volts battery. 6 volts battery. 2 ohms and 4 ohms. This is the 2 ohms and this is the 4 ohms are connected to a 6 volts battery. Connected to a 6 volts battery. The heat dissipated by the 4 ohms resistor in 5 seconds will be. We have to find the heat dissipated by the 4 ohms resistor in 5 seconds. So we have to find the value of H dissipated in 4 ohms resistor. H is equal to I square RT. H is equal to I square RT. Here the R here it is 4 ohms. So given R is equal to 4 ohms and the time T equal to 5 seconds. But what is the value of I? We don't know the value of I. So first of all, let us find how much current is passing through this 4 ohms resistor. Here 2 ohms, 4 ohms both are connected in series now. Therefore, R effective resistance equal to 2 plus 4 in series, that equal to 2 plus 4, 6 ohms now. According to Ohm's law, we can write V is equal to I into total series resistance. So 6 is equal to I into 6. Therefore, I is equal to 1 ampere. I is equal to 1 ampere. Therefore, now we can find the value of H. H is equal to I square into RT. I is equal to 1 ampere. Now can write 1 square into R. R is equal to 4 ohms into time t is equal to 5 seconds. So we can write 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 joules. Therefore, the heat energy dissipated by the 4 ohms resistor in 5 seconds is 20 joules. 20 joules.